Good evening. My name is Dr. Sisira Ranasinghe. I'm here this evening at the Indiana Buddhist Temple in Fort Wayne. This evening we have a celebration in recognition of the 2569th anniversary of the Buddha's life. During this occasion, behind me you will see the first granite, the stone stupa established in the United States. This stupa originated in Indonesia and was generously donated and transported and reassembled in our temple grounds. And today we are celebrating the inauguration of the 4 associate lesser stupas in representing the 4 directions around the main stupa. Also around us we have a number of Buddha statues facing in all directions, each representing one of the mudras or modes of or stances of the Buddha. They are reminding of us of the process of enlightenment that the Buddha attained during his life. So as it gets darker, we are going to celebrate by lighting as many as 2,600 candles around the structures here. The purpose of this is to invoke blessings of all the activities we conduct at the temple. The meditation services, the various Buddhist and cultural activities, and various other activities that the participants of this congregation are involved with. They all gain merits, and these merits are going to be shared among numerous people. Firstly, to the founders of the Indiana Buddhist Temple and the most devoted abbot, Bhante Thalangam Devananda, and his associate monks. They are responsible for all of these activities and the ceremonies that we conduct at this temple. Of course, nothing can come to fruition without the presence of our congregation. Our congregants come from all walks of life and represent various nationalities. They all come here with one purpose, to be united and to be caring for each other. So when they do that, they are thinking of certain qualities: mindfulness, metta, and that's gratitude and well-being. So all the blessings that we are getting today will be shared by all these people. Not only that, we have deceased members of our families, grandparents, parents, other relatives, friends, teachers, and many others that I don't need to name here, that are in need of blessings. So here, today, we are going to accumulate a lot of blessings from lighting these lamps and conducting these ceremonies. And we're going to spread the blessings to all of those that are in need of the merits that we accumulate today. We want to also thank all of the people who put together all these structures, the buildings, and maintaining the beautiful surroundings that are here, and for decorating the place. And so they involve numerous people. I do not wish to name them individually because if I accidentally omit somebody, I may offend them. So I will refrain from doing so. Now in the background you might hear some drumming. We are getting together a procession of the congregants who are here this evening. They are approaching towards the stupa and they will begin to light the lamps and start the lamp lighting ceremonial. We will also conduct the unveiling of the 4 accessory stupas that are around the main stupa. As the procession approaches closer, we also notice that it's getting dark and it should be very nice for the lamps to shine through in this cool evening of Indian Buddhist temple. During this podcast, we also want to thank all of the people who purchased and contributed to the lamps. They are solar operated, reusable lamps that we can use for many functions. We thank all of them for providing these lamps. I hear drumming and the procession is approaching. Jandaratna is leading the drumming group. Leading the procession is Mr. Bruce Allen, followed by Michelle, Clean Doctor, and our friend from Chicago, Kamala Pereira, Shangi, Nilanka, Mansirini, and Sinali, and our friends. sir.
අරහං සම්මා සම්බුද්ධෝ විජ්ජාචරණ සම්පන්නෝ ලෝකවිදු අනුත්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සත්තා දේව මනුස්සානං බුද්ධෝ භගවාති ඉතිපිසෝ භගවා අරහං සම්මා සම්බුද්ධෝ විජ්ජාචරණ සම්පන්නෝ සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදු අනුත්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සත්තා දේව බුද්ධෝ භගවාති.
Good evening. Welcome to Indiana Buddhist Temple. On this beautiful evening, we are going to do very beautiful things around the first stone stupa in the USA. We are going to light thousands of candles. Before we are going to light candles, we are going to unveil small 4 stupas. They are from Indonesia. The main stupa also from Indonesia. All the statues are from Indonesia. Many stupas from Indonesia. Here, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Burma, Cambodia, Laos, many. Very soon, another stupa container is coming. I would like to make beautiful outside Buddhist museum. This is a very good place, especially for the new generation. This is a beautiful garden and blissful garden. This garden is spreading loving kindness toward all the neighbors, my neighbors here, and also other neighbors, and all the Indiana, outside Indiana, around the USA and outside the USA. You, your family, friends, neighbors, and all beings, including the nature and innocent animals. This blessing ceremony is a beautiful ceremony. Before we are going to start lighting candles, now I am going to invite Mrs. Sarojini. Please come here. Be careful with the candles. Yeah. Okay. I am going to invite Mrs. Sarojini, she is our temple mother. I am going to invite, unveil this stupa. Okay. Sabbiti vajjantu sabbarogo vinasatu mateva sandarayo sukhi digayiko bhava. Bless you. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Be careful. Now, kindly, I am going to invite our neighbor. Please come here. We are unveil the second one. Sabbitiyo vajjantu sabbarogo vinasatu mate bhavasandarayo sukhi digayiko bhava. On my left hand side stupa, I am going to invite Dharmadasa. Mr. Bruce, please go ahead and unveil it. My temple builder here. Without him, we don't have this beautiful construction. This is super. Please come. Dhamma Gaveshi. Yeah, father here is doing the different jobs. He's the very strong talent. Dhamma friend. Yeah. Now, we have many people here around the stupa. Now I'm going to invite all of you. I'm not going to read our name one by one. Sri Lankan, non-Sri Lankan, Buddhist, non-Buddhist. All our Dhamma friends, okay? With a good cause. Please light all the candles with the venerable monks. First we have to light around the stupa candles. And secondly, then start to light all the candle decoration. I would like to thank and bless all our candle donors and all the worship people. Thank you very much for kindness. During your lighting time, Venerable Chandaratana is going to share his thoughts. He's going to read all the candles donors' name. Now please come and light candles. Yeah, please start lighting. Light it. දැන් කවුරුත් අපේ ළඟ කට්ටිය පහම්පත් සුදු ආරම්භ කරන්න. Yeah, please light the candles. Father, light.
Let him know, Dad.
Yeah. Mr. Bruce, come here. The end of the lighting candles, he's going to start firework.
Itipiso Bhagava Araham Samma Sambuddho Vijja Charana Sampanno Sukhato Lokavido Anuttaro Purusadama Sarati Satta Deva Manusanam Buddho Bhagavati Swakato Bhagavata Damo Sanditiko Akaliko Ehipasiko Opanayiko Pachatam Vedita Bodhi Nyuhiti Supatipanno Bhagavatu Savakasango Uchipatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Nyayapatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Samichipatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Yadidam Chatari Purisa Yugani Ata Purisa Pugala Esa Bhagavato Savakasango Ahuneyu Pahuneyu Dakhaneyu Angelikananiyu Anuttara Punya Ketam Lokasati Etena Satsavajena Hotume Jai Mangalam Etena Satsavajena Hotume Jai Mangalam Etena Satsavajena Hotume Jai Mangalam Itipiso Bhagava Araham Samma Sambuddho Vijja Charana Sampanno Sukhato Lokavidu Anuttaro Purisadama Sarati Satta Deva Manusana Buddho Bhagavati Swakato Bhagavata Damo Sanditiko Akaliko Ehipasiko Opanayiko Pachatam Veditabo Vinyuhiti Supatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Uchipatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Nayapatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Samichipatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Yadidam Chatari Purisi Yogani Ata Purisa Pugala Esa Bhagavato Savakasango Ahuneyu Pahuneyu Dankineyu Angelikananiyu Anuttara Punya Ketam Lokasati Etena Satsavajena Hotume Jai Mangalam Etena Satsavajena Hotume Jai Mangalam Etena Satsavajena Hotume Jai Mangalam Itipiso Bhagava Araham Samma Sambuddho Vijja Charana Sampanno Sukhato Lokavidu Anuttaro Purisadama Sarati Satta Deva Manusana Buddho Bhagavati Swakato Bhagavata Damo Sanditiko Akaliko Ehipasiko Opanayiko Pachatam Veditabo Vinyuhiti Supatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Uchipatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Samichipatipanno Bhagavato Savakasango Yadidam Chatari Purisi Yogani Ata Purisa Pugala Esa Bhagavato Sabhaka Sango Ahuleyu Pahuleyu Dankileyu Anjalikalaniyu Anuttara Punya Ketam Lokasati Etena Sachiva Jena Hotunecha Mangalam Etena Sachiva Jena Hotunecha Mangalam Etena Sachiva Jena Hotunecha Mangalam.
Yeah, apparently these things are just like top-notch.
Good evening, everybody.
Everybody's having problems.
May the Triple Gem bless you. On behalf of the Abbot of Indiana Buddhist Temple, Most Venerable Bhante Talangama, Devananda Nayaka Hamguru, now I am going to introduce all the people who donated for lighting ceremony. Samantha Samarasinghe Kalamasu, Sudarshano Virianto Oye Surabha, Indonesia, Ali Heranavati Go and family, Dr. Sisira Ranasinghe and Sarojini Ranasinghe and their family, Cassie Butler, Siddhi Chai, Watsavan, Kim Ton, Tamian Grage Williams, Christine Chu and Adrian Lu, our lean doctor, Dr. John Treffy, Dr. Sanjay Patel, and Rasika Mahatma and Nilanka Nona and their family. And our Miss Kamala and our Mr. Leo and their family. And Minhan U, Rupalal Prakash, Hemachandra Mahatma and our Yasinta Nona, April Eplin Hardy, Jeff Basil, Spencer and Pavitri Kilgore, Maria Julia Silva, Portugal, Warren and Alan Grafen Fryer, Joshua Nicholas, Katugampala family, Dr. Lanka, Reddy and family, their family, Yamafuji Diamond Bean, Dr. Thavindra Matthew and their family, Madhushanka Jayavardhan and their family, our Mr. Bruce Allen, Bray Smith. So they are the person who donated their valuable money for this light and candle ceremony in 2025 on Vesak Celebration Day. I would like to wish and bless on behalf of Bhante Talangama Devananda Nayaka Hamduro. May all you be well, happy and peaceful. May you have good luck, good health, happiness and long, long life. And all the blessing with you.
Sinhala. Sinhala. Sinhala භාෂාවෙන් මොකක්ද කියන්නේ?
තෙරුවන් සරණයි කාරුණික බෞද්ධ පින්වත්නි අද ඉන්දියානා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ ලෞතර බුදුන් වහන්සේගේ උතුම් උපත ඒ වගේම සම්මා සම්බුද්ධත්වය ඒ වගේම මහා පරිනිර්වාණය සිහිපත් කරගෙන වෙසක් පොහොය නිමිති කරගෙන අද ඉන්දියානා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ විශාල වශයෙන් දායක පිරිස එකතු වෙලා අද ලෞතර බුදුන් වහන්සේට ගෞරවයක් සිදු කිරීමේ විදිහට තෙමගොල්ල සිහිපත් කරමින් පහන් 2569කට අධික පහන් ප්‍රමාණයක් අද විහාරස්ථානයේ දල්වනවා අපි ගෞරවනීය ලෞතර බුදුන් වහන්සේගේ ගුණයන් සිහිපත් කරමින් ඒ සඳහා විශාල දායක පිරිසක් ඉන්දියානා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ අපේ දේවානන්ද නායක හාමුදුරුවෝත් සමග අත්වල බැඳගෙන මේ පින්කමත් එකතු වෙලා ඉන්නවා. ඒ නිසා ඔබ හැමදෙනෙකුගේම දායකත්වය, ඔබ හැමදෙනෙකුගේම සහභාගීත්වය ඉන්දියානා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ විහාරාධිපති ගෞරවනීය තලංගම දේවානන්ද නායක හඳුරන් වහන්සේ වෙනුවෙන් ඔබ හැමදෙනෙක්ම බොහොම ගෞරවයෙන් සිහිපත් කරනවා. මේ වෙලාවේ අපේ දායක පින්වතුන් පහන් දැල්වීම ආරම්භ කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔබටත් පුළුවන් විහාරස්ථාන සම්බන්ධ වෙලා පහන් පූජාවට සම්බන්ධ වෙමින් මේ උතුම් වූ කටයුත්තට සහ සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න. අද මේ පහන් පූජාව සඳහා විශාල දායක පිරිසක් දායකත්ව සපයා තිබෙනවා. ඒ අයගේ නම් මීට පෙර ආතු සිහිපත් කළා. ඒ හැම දිනෙකටම අපි ආශිර්වාදයන් ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. විහාරස්ථානයේ දියුණුව ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරන විහාරස්ථාන නිරන්තරයෙන් පින්කම් සඳහා සහ සම්බන්ධ වන ඔබ හැම දිනෙකටම අපි තුන්රුවන්ගේ ආශිර්වාදය ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. ඔබ හැම දිනෙකටම ඔබ සිතන ප්‍රාර්ථනා ඉෂ සිද්ධ වේවා කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. ත්‍රිවන් සරණයි. Okay, dear Dhamma friends, now I am going to invite respectfully our Indiana Buddhist Temple resident monk, Most Venerable Bhante Panyasara Thero. Bhante will give us a Dhamma introduction regarding lighting candles offering ceremony.
Respected Mahasangha and meritorious Dhamma friends, today is a wonderful day, a beautiful day. Under the great supervisions of the Most Venerable Thalangama Devananda Nayaka Thero, we have gathered here and we are doing such a kind of nice and wonderful lighting candle ceremony. Honestly speaking, this is symbolization of wisdom. Everybody knows how darkness acts in our life, as well as we know what's the meaning of darkness and what's the meaning of light. Today, as an Indiana Buddhist Temple disciples, again we are celebrating Buddha's birthday and the enlightenment of the Buddha and passing away of the Buddha. Last week, or on May 24th, also we celebrated Buddha's birthday here at Indiana Buddhist Temple. Our Nayaka Thera wanted to celebrate again Buddha's birthday and the enlightenment and passing away of the Buddha. That's why we have organized such a kind of lighting candle ceremony. Therefore, this is not only a ceremony, as well as this is meritorious action. Therefore, people, when you light candles, always think about to remove your darkness. We know we have so many darkness in our mind. So when you light candles, you can think to remove your darkness of your life. So this event is, on the other hand, when I talk about the stupa, this is the first stone stupa in USA. Therefore, our Nayaka Thero has a good skills to do such a kind of activities. Who wanted to again schedule this kind of ceremony to celebrate Buddha's birthday, as well as the enlightenment. Enlightenment is, if we have darkness in our mind, enlightenment is the opposite of the darkness. When you light candles, you can think about that enlightenment of the Buddha. Because in the many of years or many of birth, Buddha had a darkness moment in his life. Therefore, dear Dhamma friends, Buddha wanted to remove all the darkness of his life, like hatred, delusion, ignorance, jealousy, like that. Those are the darkness of life. Then Buddha wanted to remove all the darkness of his life. As a result of that, the Buddha or Bodhisattva or ascetic Gautama was able to attain Arahathood, or normally we say Buddhahood. That is why we are celebrating today Buddha's enlightenment. Darkness is representation of our bad thoughts. Dear Dhamma friends, if you want to remove bad thoughts, you should light your life by using good thoughts, like loving kindness, generosity, as well as you can develop compassion, like that. Or if someone can develop such a kind of good things in your life, that meaning you are going to light your life. So dear Dhamma friends, now you are engaging with the lighting candle ceremony. So I wish and I explain later the symbolization of these lighting candles and stupa, like that. So thank you very much. You can engage with loving kindness thoughts.
Dear Dhamma friends, now we are going to offer beautiful candles, beautiful flowers, medicine, our Lord Buddha 9 qualities. Before we are going to offer them, our Lord Buddha 9 qualities, I am going to invite our Venerable Dhammalankara Amduro. He will conduct 5 prayers. If you like to observe in 5%, now please bring your palms together and say sadhu 3 times. And now recite Namo Tassa Bhagavato 3 times, please. Ape Amduro Pansil Dena Aurus.
Repeat after me. Buddhang saranang gacchami. Dhammang saranang gacchami. Sanghang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami Panatipata veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Adinādāna veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Kāmesu micchācārā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Musāvādā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Suramere majjapama daṭṭhāna veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami Sadhu 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 sadhu
Thank you, Venerable. Now we are going to offer candles, beautiful flowers, and medicine our Buddha 9 qualities. My dear Dhamma friend, on beautiful day, please now think kind thoughts. With the kind thoughts, please recite these Paritensas with the venerable monks. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Ganasarampaditena Deepena Tamadansina Tiloka Deepang Sambuddhang Pujayami Tamonodang Pujemi Buddhang Kusumena Nena Punyena metena labami mokkang Puppang milayati yatai dhamme Kāyo tatayati vinasa bhavang Adivase tuno bante Pāniyam parikampitāṃ anukampang upadāya patiganhātu muttamang adivāse tuno bante besanjang parikampitāṃ anukampang upadāya hātu muttamang vandāmi cetiyan sambang sabbatāne supadintitang sāririka dhātu Buddha rūpan sakalan sadā yassa mūle nisinnova sabbhāri vijayannaka patto sabbang yutan santa වන්දේතං බෝධිපාදපං කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං කම මේ බන්තේ භූරි පඤ්ඤ තථාගත ආකාසට්ඨා ච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ලෝක සාසනං. Now we are going to share merits, metta, departed family members and friends. You donated carols and you donated many things for our spiritual program. Some people are here, some people are not here. But now I'm going to share metta, loving kindness toward your departed one. And please recite these parting stars with the venerable monk. Idam me jnatinan hotu sugita hontu jnatayo. Idam me jnatinan hotu sugita hontu jnatayo. Idam me jnatinan hotu sugita hontu jnatayo. Now we are going to share loving kindness thought. Your and our loving mother and father. Please kindly recite this part and start with the venerable. We are going to salutation parents. Dasama seure kanva posesi uddikaranang ayudigang vassa satang matu padang namamahang uddikaro alingitva චුම්බිත්වා පිය පුත්තකං රාජමජ්ජං සුපතිත්තං දීතු පාදං නමාමං. With our metta, loving kindness thought, our loving mother, loving father and teachers, all beings all over the world, always be well, happy and peaceful. Dear Dhamma friend, on behalf of India Buddhist Temple, our Venerable Bhante Chandranathan Hamduro, Panjathan Hamduro, myself, we would like to thank and bless all the panel's donors. Your kind support, your kind thoughts, your kind participating. Now we are celebrating beautiful, meaningful Buddha's, Lord Buddha's birthday, enlightenment and passing away. My dear Dhamma friend, this temple always like to welcome all nationalities and all faith. This is your spiritual home. Our temple monks and our dear Dhamma friends all together. Our temple doing on Monday at 6:30 p.m. loving kindness meditation, and on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. mindfulness of breathing meditation. All are welcome. And I would like to invite all of you. My dear Dhamma friend, our temple resident monks going to start 3-month training retreat. Before we are going to start training retreat, people going to invite for the training retreat our resident monks. I would like to invite all of you. June 21st. June 21st on Saturday, people going to invite monks for the training retreat. We call Vassana retreat. I like to invite all of you. We are going to start program at 11 a.m. After the program, we are going to serve Sri Lankan vegetarian lunch all the visitors. I would like to invite you, your friend and family, all nationality and all religion, all are welcome. It is a beautiful, blissful, spiritual program. Between 3 months, monks will conduct the 3-month retreat. The 3-month retreat includes the different kind of meditation practice, Dhamma sermon, chanting, blessing, and other kind of spiritual activities. If you have any kind of questions about Buddhism, meditation, all are welcome. Monks will explain to you. And also, who are the living nearby Bryan, Ohio. We have very historical church there, we are teaching mindfulness of breathing meditation and loving kindness meditation there on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. My dear Dhamma friend, again and again, I would like to thank all the friends with your support, with your kind support, and our neighbors' kind support help. Our temple always growing. We are making many kind of spiritual things. We are doing many kind of spiritual things. With your support, with your help, my dear Dham friend, the temple is going to be beautiful. I like to thank and bless your kind donation, kind participated, monthly Dhanapuri, monthly maintain donation. Whatever you will do the temple is okay. I thank you very, very much. ඉතින් අපි බොහොම සන්තෝෂයෙන් සියලුම සදහැවතුන්ට ආශිර්වාද කරනවා. අපි ලංකාවේ ඇත්තන්ට සහ හැම දිනාටම දරුවන්ගේ ආශිර්වාදයේ බලයෙන් මේ මහා පින්කම් සිද්ධ කරන්න ඉන්දියානු බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ මේ රටේ ඇත්තන්ගේ සියලු ජාතීන්ගේ සියලු ආගමික ඒක රාශිය දකින්න පුළුවන්. මේ මොහොත වන විට ඇමරිකාවේ ඉදිකරු පළවෙනිම ශෛලමය චෛත්‍යරාජයන් වට පහන් දහස් ගණනක් ගල්වමින් බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේට ඒ ගෞරව කිරීම ආලෝක කිරීම සිද්ධ කරනවා. ඉතින් මේ චෛත්‍යරාජයන් වහන්සේ පූජා කිරීම ඒ වගේ මේ චෛත්‍යරාජයන් වහන්සේ ඇතුළු විහාරස්ථාන මේ කටයුතු වලට දායකත්වයෙන් ලබන දෙන හැම දිනාටම අපි ආශිර්වාද කරනවා. ඔබ හැම දිනාගේම ආශිර්වාද පෙරදරි කරන මේ කටයුතු සිද්ධ කරන්නේ. I would like to wish you a happy birthday. Hello. Baba. I would like to wish you a happy belated birthday. සුබ උපන්දිනයක් වේවා.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you.
බුදු සරණයි. ඉතින් අපි හැම දිනාටම ආශිර්වාද ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. මේ උතුම් කටයුත්තට දායක වීම පිළිබඳව හැම දිනාගේම කරුණාව දැනගෙන පිළිදෙල කරගෙන මේ උතුම් පින්කම අපි බොහොම ලස්සන සිද්ධ කරනවා. ඔයත් ඔක්කොටම තෙරුවන්ගේ ආශිර්වාදය වගේම මේ අවුරුද්දේ කඩන පින්කම් සිද්ධ කරන්න අපේ සියලුම සදහැවතුන් මේකට ඈත් වෙලා ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් ජුනි මාසේ මේ මාසේ 21 වෙනි සෙනසුරාදා තමයි වස් ආරාධනය කරන්නේ. ඉතාමත්ම අලංකාර විදියට ලස්සනට පැරණි චාරිත්‍ර විදියට අනුකූලව ඒ වස් ආරාධනය සිද්ධ කරනවා. ඉතින් අපි ආරාධනා කරනවා ජුනි 21 වෙනිදා දවල් 11 වෙනකොට පැමිණෙන්න හැමදෙනාම දන්නයට මතක් කරන්න දානමාන ආදී කටයුතු සකස් කරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා එනයට සංග්‍රහ කරලා බොහොම ලස්සනට මේ කටයුතු සිද්ධ කරමු. හැමදෙනාටම සීපත් කරනවා ඒ වස් ආරාධනා කටයුතු සඳහා හැමදෙනාම එකතු වෙන්න කියලා මේ මහා පින්කම ලස්සනට සිද්ධ කරගන්න. ඔබ හැමදෙනාගේම සම්බන්ධතාවය, ඔබ හැමදෙනාගේම සහභාගීත්වය, ඔබ හැමදෙනාගේම දායකත්වය මේ කටයුතු ලස්සනට සිද්ධ කරන්න අපිට ලොකු හයියක්, ශක්තියක්, ධෛර්යයක් ලැබිලා තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා අපි ආරාධනා කරමු හැමදෙනාටම මේ මහා කටයුත්තට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න කියලා. ඉතින් හැමදෙනාම මේ උතුම් කටයුත්ත අවසානයේ හැමදෙනාගේම සහයෝගය ලබා දීම පිළිබඳව මා නැවතත් සිහිපත් කරමි. Then හැමදෙනාගේ පහන් දැල්වීමේ කටයුතු සිදු කරන්න. Dear Dham friend, please light all the candles around the first stone stupa in the USA. This is a beautiful place, blissful place. Again and again, on behalf of Indiana Buddhist Temple resident monk, we like to thank and bless all the Dham friends. Thank you very much. May you be well, happy and peaceful. May your mother be well, happy and peaceful. May your father be well, happy and peaceful. May your teachers be well, happy and peaceful. May your sisters and brothers be well, happy and peaceful. May your children be well, happy and peaceful. May your friends be well, happy and peaceful. May your neighbors be well, happy and peaceful. May our neighbors be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings around the world be well, happy and peaceful. May our nature and all the innocent animals be well, happy and peaceful. May the triple gem and all the spiritual being, God, always be with you and protect you. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sabbe satta bhavantu sukhi satta. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you. And forget one thing. Now I'm going to invite Dharmadasa, Bruce Saran. This is your time. All the children and others are waiting for your firework. Our Dharmadasa Bishop Bruce, please, he's going to start firework behind the stupa. Yeah, it's a beautiful firework. Children, please come in front of the stupa. The Bruce going to firework start behind the stupa. Now, the time. Children, please participate. Okay, thank you.
We just traveled from India. 2-hour drive. Oh, you're going to go now? Are you suburbs of India?
We're ready to go.
Wow.
Okay, because
Fireworks,
Yeah, this is firework.
and we come like 2 hours drive.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Yes, we came from India.
Yeah, just now, very fast now.
Right.
Tinggal boleh dong. Yeah, jangan udah kena firework. Try today.
I need to go.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
I'll let you finish.
Huh?
I didn't want to distract what you were
One
doing.
second.
Okay, but I want to say thank you.
Thank you.
And I will see you again
I'm very
soon.
happy. Thank you very much. It's beautiful, right?
Absolutely stunning.
Yeah, very nice. Now we can see fireworks coming up.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. More fireworks coming. More coming, more coming.
$25, 69 years since the Buddha's birth. Is that passing?
It's beautiful, huh?
Very nice, very nice. Good, nice gathering. That was good.
Thank you.
The candles are helping. They really do.
Tapi pelayan.
මොකද කියන්නේ